That's enough, comrades. Come over here and pick up a grenade.
These are potatoes, Comrade Commissar. Why are we using potatoes instead of real grenades?
Because real grenades are valuable. In fact, they are worth a lot more than you are.
Oh, of course, Comrade Commissar. My mistake.
Gas first. BBs.
Ugh. Oh, it hit me.
Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1, action.
Comrades, stop messing about. Get in here and pick up a grenade.
But these are potatoes, Commissar, comrade. Oh, comrade, Commissar. Fuck.